Here we come to the the red parking garage elevator at Scottsdale Fashion Square Mall in Scottsdale, Arizona. This is a Schindler 5500 with Echo Survivor Plus fixtures / HT Vandal resistant fixtures. It is coming. It just left. Yeah, looks like someone's using it. Here's the parking garage over there. And in a few minutes, this should be here. I believe this was installed in 2018. It's here. Alright, get our cab view. Here's a security camera up the shaft. Now we will go up to 2. Indicator's burned out.
Floor 2.
Very nice. Capacity 4,000 pounds. This is elevator 44. Here's a security camera.
Parking 2.
And we'll end it up on 1.
Elevator is on.
ADA compliant phone built to the car station. EPCO fixtures.
Floor 1.
It's a blue button. I really like the voice on this. Anyways, here it goes. And that's it.